everyone, today we are in M&N Chocolates and we are going to make some yummy chocolates. Well, let's get right into it. So here we have three different types of chocolate. One is the milk one, and this is the milk chocolate, and this is dark chocolate. This is the mold and we are going to pour the chocolate into this. Well, the chocolate smells delicious. Now I want to add toppings which include almond and cashew. Let me add them. Put it in the fridge, and after 10 or 15 minutes it should cool down and we should have a chocolate. It has been 15 minutes and now I'm excited to see how my chocolate looks. Now we just need to tip it over on a aluminium foil and then we can wrap up a chocolate. There you go, my chocolate. Just two combinations of chocolates. Well, isn't it cool? Well, now it's time to wrap it. Well, that's all for today. See you next time with an amazing video.